one occasion, this was in a battle, where a sahabi by the name of Qatada bin Nu'man radiallahu anhu, while he was fighting against the enemy on the occasion of Uhud, the arrows were coming so fiercely from the enemy towards Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam that he put his whole body in front of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam to protect. He became the shield, and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was. It so happened that one arrow hit his eye, and the whole eyeball came out. After the battle was over, obviously he continued fighting in this way. When the battle was over, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam seen Qatada bin Nu'man in this condition. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam took that same eyeball, replaced it back in the socket. Sahaba say that we could not tell the difference from his right eye and the left eye, which one came out from the socket. This was mu'jiza of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His son or his grandson actually mentions a poetry. Today, what do our children boast about? We need to keep this in mind, that what was Sahaba's pride? What kept them going? Today, what do our children boast about? My father has a nice car. My father has a nice house. My father has a nice business. My father this, my father that. All about dunya. The Sahaba's pride was about akhirat. Sahaba's pride was about serving Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So his grandson says that Anabnu alladhi salat ala khaddihi aynuhu. Do you know who I am? I am the son of that person whose eyeball came out in the battlefield defending Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Faruddat bikaffil Mustafa ahsan al-raddi. And the blessed hand of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam placed it back into its socket. Fa'adat ahsana ma kanat min qablu. This eye started looking more beautiful, more better. It's like he went to a beauty parlor and he came out, this eye was like this. And I'm not astonished at the eye, but I am more admiring the hand that placed that eye. And that was the hand of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam.